Welcome back, Crammers, to question 4. Show that 5 1 over 3 minus 2 6 over 7 is equal to 2 10 over 21. We put this into mixed fraction form first, so 5 times 3 is 15. Now add what's ever in the numerator, 16 over 3 minus 2 times 7 is 14, plus what's ever in the numerator, which is 6, so that's 20 over 7, is equal to 2 10 over 21. Since 3 and 7 are not the same denominator, we cannot subtract it like this. We have to find the LCM first. The LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Now, we still have to convert the fractions. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 times 16 is 112. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 3 times 20 is 60. Is equal to 2 10 over 21. Now, 52 divided by 21 is equal to 2 10 over 21. And since the closest multiple of 21 is 42, 52 minus 42 is 10. So 2 10 over 21 is equal to 2 10 over 21. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.